Welcome to Smita Thakare Academy. Today we are going to see Secretarial Practice Standard 12th, Chapter 8 Correspondence with Depository. Exercise questions. Question number 1A. Select the correct answer from the option given below and rewrite the statement. First one. Depositors are dash of the company. Answer is creditor. Second one. Depositor provide dash capital to the company. Answer is short term. Third one, a company cannot accept a deposit for more than dash month. Answer is 36 month. Fourth one, a company cannot accept deposit for less than dash month. The answer is 6 month. Fifth one, deposit are dash loan of the company. Answer is short term. Sixth one, public deposit are accepted to meet the requirement of dash capital. Answer is working capital. Seventh one, dash has the power to invite a deposit from public. The answer is board of directors. Eighth one, the rate of interest on deposit is dash. Answer is fixed. Ninth one, return or income for the investment of money on deposit is called dash. Answer is interest. Now B1 match the pair. Group A and B is given. First one depositors. Answer is creditors. Second one rate of interest on deposit. Answer is fixed. Deposit receipt. Answer is evidence of deposit. Answer स्क्रीन पर दिया हुआ है. If you want you can take the screenshot of it. Now the C1, write a word or a term or a phrase which can substitute each of the following statement. First one is return on investment on deposit. Answer is interest. Second one, instrument for payment of interest on deposit. Answer is interest warrant. Third one, an acknowledgement of the fixed deposit accepted by a company. Answer is fixed deposit receipt. Fourth one, return of deposit on maturity date. Answer is repayment of deposit. Fifth one, maximum period of deposit. Answer is 36 month. D1, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, fixed deposit is a short-term source of finance for the company. Answer is true. Second one, fixed deposit holder is a creditor of the company. Answer is true. Third one, deposits are invited by the company without issuing statutory advertisement. False. Fourth one, fixed deposit holders are entitled to receive dividend. Answer is false. Fifth one, a private company cannot accept a deposit from the general public. True. Sixth one, depositors are given voting rights. Answer is false. E1, find the odd one. First one is dividend, depositor, deposit, receipt. Odd one is dividend. Second one, trust deed, depository, deposit, receipt. The odd one is depository. F1, complete the following statement. First one, depository are the dash of the company. Answer is creditor. Second one, the dash must be cautious and careful while writing the letters to the depository. Answer is secretary. Third one, the deposit is a dash term source of finance of the company. The answer is short term. Fourth one, a company can accept the deposit for the minimum period of dash month, that is a 6 month. And the last one, fifth one, deposits are entitled to receive dash at fixed rate. Answer is interest. G1. Select the correct option from the bracket. Group A and Group B is given. First one is depository. The answer is the creditor of the company. Second one, return on deposit. Answer is interest. Now third one, maximum period of deposit. Answer is 36 month. And the last one, D1, minimum period of deposit is 6 month. Correct the underlined word and rewrite the following statement. First one, depositors are the owner of the company. Correct answer is creditor of the company. Second one, deposit are the internal source of finance. The correct answer is external source of finance. Third one, deposit is a long-term source of capital. Correct answer is it is a short-term source. Fourth one, depositors are entitled to receive dividend. Correct answer is interest. Now J1, arrange in proper order. First one, renewal of deposit, acceptance of deposit, deposit receipt. The correct order is acceptance of deposit, deposit receipt, and last one, renewal of deposit. Now B section, second one, payment of interest, deposit receipt, acceptance of deposit. The correct order is acceptance of deposit, deposit receipt, payment of interest. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4 और 5 के आंसर्स के लिए आप वीडियो पार्ट नंबर 1 और पार्ट नंबर 2 को रेफ़र कीजिए, जहाँ पे पूरा चैप्टर्स डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, सो दैट यू कैन राइट योर आंसर इन अ वेरी इजी वे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.